Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, November 25th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. Today we started the Chapter 4 math test. We will finish that tomorrow. There is no MobyMax this week, so be thankful for that. In science, we have a worksheet on calculating distance and time using the 3 different formulas and the notes that we took in class today. In social studies, we need to study for our Sumer quiz. In language arts, we've got to do the holiday ABC order. That is a worksheet. The directions are hyperlinked right here as well for you to go and look at. And in literature, there is no homework other than to read. In CNL, there is no homework. And for FCS 6, you need to go see Mrs. Music if you were at the incentive Friday and didn't get the work that you had missed. One last reminder, tomorrow is our last day before Thanksgiving break. With that being said, we are on an early dismissal schedule. We'll be out at 1:52. With that also being said, 6th period now goes in front of Warrior Time. So if you have language arts or science or social studies or one of those classes where we do have homework tonight and an assignment is due tomorrow, you cannot sit and wait until Warrior Time to get it done because you will be having your 6th period before Warrior Time. That's going to be it for today. Everyone have a happy Monday.